Diplomatic. How many of you have been victims of complicated compliments? Complicated compliments tell you what you want to hear, but they also tell you what you need to hear. Truth be told, they mess with your feelings. They mess with your emotional reaction. They make us smile after being told no. They make us feel good after being rejected. They motivate us in times of distress. They keep us going. Has anyone ever told you, we love your energy, but you're not the right fit? You have great skills that we are currently not in need of. You're overqualified for this position. You have something special, we just don't have a budget for it. Am I talking to somebody? Sometimes we are told destructive truths in kind ways. It's the art of diplomacy. Control the tone. Sometimes we are told destructive truths in kind ways. It's the art of diplomacy. Control the tongue. Control the emotions. Bring smart solutions. A great leader must be diplomatic. Know what to say, but also know how to say it. Relationships are not built on words. Relationships are built by ways in which words are said. Learn to negotiate. Wars have been ended by negotiations. Billion-dollar deals have been closed through negotiations. Legal battles have been ended by negotiations. Your business will succeed through negotiations. Your organization will succeed through negotiations. Negotiate, even with your workers. Your success depends on it. Don't take it personally when you become a target of rage. Emotions are not always reasonable. Add reason to every decision. Diplomatic leaders have no sides. Diplomatic leaders resolve while building. There's a time for everything. A leader's action needs timing. You need to know when to act. Don't respond in expected ways. Speak when you know you will be heard. Diplomatic leaders know that people listen less when they have an argument to win. Are you a diplomatic leader? Truth must be told. Don't twist the truth. Don't keep the truth. Don't postpone the truth. Tell the truth, but tell the truth with love. Choose words that build without giving false hope. To someone who proudly says, I speak my mind, there is a reason why we can't read your mind. Our minds think, our mouths speak. Let it stay that way. Leaders think, leaders edit, leaders proofread their thoughts before any word comes out of their mouth.